Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to Cosmic Spice. Today I'm super excited to share my first DIY video with you all, and this video is all about how I made this beautiful makeup vanity set all by myself right at home and all under $150. This is a dupe replica of Makeup Vanity by IKEA made with Alex drawer units, which comes without the mirror lights and for $240, although this one comes under $150. As I said, I'm going to share all the details and how I made this possible. Let's get this started. So in order to replace the Alex drawer unit, I found it a very much similar looking 5-drawer letterpress cube unit in the store Michaels. This is height and width wise exactly similar to the Alex drawer unit, but the price is extremely low. The one Alex Tower unit you get it for $89, although this one unit is just for $50 with a 50% coupon, which floats around all the time in Michaels. So I got two of these units. I'm just going to follow the directions on the box and try to make it. Here I'm using the brand Ashland. I think they have one more brand, but I think the quality of Ashland brand I found much better, so I chose that one. As you can see, I have a helper here. As you can see here, I'm going to take out all the pieces out of the box and simply follow the directions, whatever it says on the paper. It's very easy to make. It's not a rocket science. I'm sure if I can do it, most of you can do it as well. For the first unit, it took me around 45 minutes, but the second unit was even more easier and it took hardly half an hour. And here we are, all set. You can see how beautiful this came out. I'm going to make one more unit just like this, and I'll make sure that I put the wheels underneath, because in case if I want to move it in another room, it won't be hassle. Now all I need is some kind of a wooden plank which will go with my drawer units, and it will make a good tabletop. So I found this white wooden piece in the shelf unit in Lowe's. It is in the dimensions 24 by 14. I'm going to put all the details and the link to it in the description box. Then I simply kept this wooden plank on top of the drawers, making sure that they're end to end, and I glued it with the wooden glue. You can easily get it in any hardware store or even in Walmart. So once this was done, I really wanted to add those Hollywood style mirror with the lights to my vanity, although I found them very expensive to buy. So I decided to use this mirror which I already had at my house. You can use mirror if you have in your house, or you can just buy one. I'll definitely show you how to put lights on the mirror and make it look more glamorous and perfect for makeups. So I just took this mirror and kept it right over my table, and with the it is leaning on the wall right now, and I kept the holders, mirror holders, right behind it to hold it properly so it wouldn't slide down. As you can see. Now the next big challenge was to find that perfect lighting that will go along with the mirror without me having to put any holes in the mirror or even the wall around it, because I'm eventually planning to move the table into another room. So I wanted something that will definitely go on top of my mirror, and it should be removable if I want to in future. So I found this Hollywood style LED vanity mirror light kit with dimmable light bulbs on Amazon, and it just worked perfectly on my mirrors. This is exactly what I was looking for. I'm really happy with this buy. All I needed to do was to mark my mirrors wherever I want to put the lights. I chose the kit with 14 bulbs, and it was for just $29.99 on Amazon. I'm going to put the link to all the products I am mentioning in this video in the description box down below. So all I needed to do here was to follow the directions on the light box and just glue them along the sides of my mirror. And as you can see, this is how it looks. Let's see how bright it is when you turn it on. There you go. Right now, as you can see, there is no other light on in the room other than these lights, and it's really bright and nice. Just perfect for makeup. There you go. So there you go, guys. This is how the final look is. I'm absolutely loving my Makeup Vanity, and this is my favorite corner in the house right now. As you can see, it is spacious with lots of counter space and bright lighting, and I have 10 drawers which are pretty decent size. Let me show it to you. I'm yet to organize them, but this is how it looks right now. So if you guys have liked this video, please make sure that you do comment, like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any better ideas, please make sure that you let me know, and don't forget to check the description box for the links to all the products that I have used here. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Till then, I love you all. Take care and see you soon.